And over here we've got Stourbridge Bloom Studio. And in here,
the plans for the day.
plans for the day.
Yeah.
Brilliant. So I'll just introduce you two. So this is Vic Bamforth, who's got a studio within the Ruskin Glass Centre, and Darren Weed, who assists and works with Vic to produce the fantastic works that Vic does. So they're just...
Or I assist now.
Okay, however you want to. And it's warm today. It's not the hottest day of the year. This is 4 days later, but it's still pretty warm in here, isn't it?
Hence the new fan.
Oh, okay. So what are you guys going to work on now?
There is part of an evolution of these. Oh, you see the one in the window, the trickle aerial.
Yeah.
Part of the evolution of that.
Right. So this is a trickle aerial, which Vic does with 3 different glass colours inside, wraps an air bubble around it, and produces wonderful works of art like that.
So we're reducing them down to smaller versions.
Right.
But
Okay.
more sculptural.
Yeah.
So like.
Wow. Wow.
So I've done one this morning. It's more elongated, turned out really nice.
And it's that magical air bubble in the middle which just floats around the waist. Just looks amazing, doesn't it? And the reflections coming through here.
Yeah.
Crazy. So Darren's just putting a bit of air in, blowing down the end of there, getting a bit of air in.
So you can just about see the bubble of air, the starter of everything on that 1/3.
Oh yeah, I see it. Yeah. Oh wow.
That colour is the whiskey.
Oh okay.
Got whiskey, turquoise below, and gold ruby extra. 3 colours that way, so perfect.
So we'll just get the temperature right in there and we can start to blow this up as the core.
Yeah.
We'll be adding a few more layers of glass to this to create that bubble and crack everything inside.
Still there.
So we spent a lot of time getting this part of the process right. A lot of trial and error.
Yeah. So Darren's looking after the clear glass at the moment, and Vic's maintaining the waste and the heat on the colours. That's cool.
Ensure it will retain that gap
Yeah.
so it doesn't close up, otherwise we won't get the bubble.
Looks just like a lava lamp. Looks great. It's getting bigger.
Maybe just a little bit of water and smoke. That's a big building, isn't it?
Oh, it looks blooming gorgeous.
They're just this area there. In little bank connected.
Oh, okay.
How the colours look with air from there to there.
We'll stop this now, and then what I'll do is when it's been cold worked and whatever, we'll do another video of this and we can refer back to it.
Yeah.
But it looks, that air bubble's fantastic.
Isn't it? It's so interesting, isn't it?
Right, I'm going to leave these guys finishing this off now. What I'll do is I'll do another video of this finished once it's been cold worked and it's sorted out, and you'll be able to see the difference. You'll be able to see start to the next video. I'm not going to tag it on to the end of this. These videos are just going to be filmed on the day, get out on the night, job done. Okay, thanks for watching. Next video will be, whenever the next video will be, when there's something's next happening in here that's worth videoing and showing you guys what we're doing for the Biennale. Thanks for watching. Cheers.